Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to fix Apple Pencil not working or not charging. Firstly, disable and enable Bluetooth. Go to Settings, then Bluetooth. Toggle Bluetooth off, then on again. Avoid using Control Center to disable Bluetooth as it doesn't fully turn it off. 2. Repair your Apple Pencil. Go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and find your Apple Pencil. Tap the eye icon, then forgot device. Just reconnect it and check if the battery status appears on the screen. Thirdly, clean your Apple Pencil and iPad connectors. Inspect the charging areas for dirt or dust and use a soft, lint-free cloth, dampened lightly with water if needed, to clean gently. And finally, you can try updating your iPad. Go to Settings, General, then Software Update. Download and install any available updates to fix these software bugs. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.